Well, आज अगर आप लोग मुझे देख लें कि मैं यहाँ पे समरसॉल्ट मार रही हूँ या तो मैं किसी और लैंग्वेज में बोलने लगी हूँ, तो आप समझ जाइए कि मैं इतनी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And the person who's standing right next to me is the man of my dreams. He's the love of my life, the superhero, Sunny Deol. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You know, we've not seen you in CCL before. How does it feel to be here?
It's nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving the crowd. I'm loving the ambience over here. It's really beautiful.
And how does it feel to see Bobby play?
Oh, he's my brother. I love him. And whenever he's playing, I wish I can also go and join him and play along with him.
Are you a cricket buff?
Not that much, but I love sports.
Tell me something, like Bobby's associated with cricket. Your father just had a wrestling team. What do you love to play?
I would love to do football.
Football?
I love football.
So can we see you playing football sometime soon?
I really don't know, but I would love to.
Okay, now one thing that we've been waiting for a very long time, Ghail's releasing on 5th of Feb. What are the emotions right now?
Well, actually, I'm really very nervous and very excited. And I think it's just like a cricket match when people are playing over there. I can understand the anxiety. So that's what I'm going through right now. But at the same time, I'm feeling great because when I watch my film, what I've done, I feel I've done what I wanted to do.
So what prompted you to actually direct it, write it, and also act in it?
Well, I was not getting the right script. I wasn't getting the right person who would direct it the way I was thinking about it. So then I said, might as well I do it, you know. So that's how it all started off, and started writing, and then eventually I got into direction.
You know, you've always been a trendsetter. Whatever action you've been doing, everyone's been doing the same action. What are you doing special in Ghail once again that we should wait for?
I think best is just around the corner, 5th of Feb. Go watch it. We have done. I've tried to do my action. Basically, in this film is part of the screenplay, so it flows pretty well. And then I have got Dan Bradley, who has done a lot of good Hollywood films, which everybody is a fan of, like Bourne Ultimatum, Identity. And we have virtually achieved that.
Okay, we've always, seen you promoting now. So people have asked you to say your dialogues, to dance. I actually want to check personally with you. Can you sing?
Sing? No.
Your song's out, Khuda. Can you do like a little line for me, please?
It's very difficult for me to lyrics also remember them right now.
Or any song of your choice.
Right now, what is the one which we have done as Lapak Jhapak? Yeah, that's the one which the kids are doing basically. It's Lapak Jhapak, Lapak Jhapak, Lapak Jhapak, Lapak Jhapak. Hoy!
Hi! Well, now you have to actually tell everyone that 5th of Feb, they have to come and watch your film. It's an order.
Wow. I think they love me very much, and I'm sure I don't have to order y'all, but if I have to, I will. So kindly go and watch my film on the 5th of Feb. I promise y'all won't be disheartened, because if y'all have seen me do my earlier films and y'all feel I'm capable of it, I won't let y'all down.
Okay, one last question. Boost is our sponsor. Boost is the secret of my energy, and everyone knows about your energy. I think you're one of the most energetic people around. What is the secret behind your energy?
Adrenal. I love to get up early in the morning, and so I think before sunrise I wake up. That gives me the greatest boost, because I feel there's a whole day for me and I'm going to do so many things.
Well, thank you very much, and all the very best for your coming film.
Thank you very much.